The cosmos of language is vast and complex. Within it lies a powerful tool, ChatGPT, capable of generating human-quality text. This AI model, trained on a massive dataset of text and code, can be your guide through this complex landscape. Imagine having the ability to access information, generate creative content, or automate tasks, all through the power of language. That's the potential ChatGPT unlocks. Whether you're a seasoned professional, a budding entrepreneur, or an educator shaping young minds, ChatGPT offers something unique. It's a tool for communication, creativity, and problem-solving. This essay explores the art of prompt engineering, the key to harnessing ChatGPT's full potential. Just as a telescope reveals the wonders of the cosmos, well-crafted prompts unveil the power of this language model. At its core, prompt engineering is about clear and effective communication with AI. It's about giving ChatGPT the right instructions to generate the desired output. Start with a clear objective. What do you want ChatGPT to do? Be specific in your request. Instead of asking for a poem about stars, request a sonnet about the birth of a star, emphasizing its brilliance and eventual fate. Provide context. ChatGPT doesn't have memories of past conversations. Each prompt is a fresh start. If the task requires background information, include it. Use keywords strategically. Specific terms guide ChatGPT towards the desired output. For instance, if you want a formal tone, include keywords like academic or professional. Experiment with different prompt structures. Questions, statements, or even bullet points can be used effectively. The key is to find what works best for your objective. As you delve deeper into the cosmos of prompt engineering, more sophisticated techniques emerge. These techniques allow for greater control and precision in your interactions with ChatGPT. One such technique is few-shot learning. Here you provide ChatGPT with a few examples of the desired output format. This helps the model understand your expectations and generate more accurate results. Another powerful technique is role-playing. You can instruct ChatGPT to assume a specific persona, such as a journalist, a poet, or even a historical figure. This influences the style and tone of the generated text. Chain of thought prompting encourages ChatGPT to break down complex tasks into smaller, more manageable steps. By explicitly outlining the thought process, you can guide the model towards more logical and coherent responses. These advanced techniques, when used effectively, unlock new levels of creativity and problem-solving with ChatGPT. The true beauty of prompt engineering lies in its practical applications. Let's explore how these techniques translate into real-world scenarios. Content creation template. Write a blog post about topic into the style of author. Include keywords and make it desired length. Education template. Create a lesson plan for grade level on the topic of subject. Include learning objectives and interactive activities. Business template. Draft a professional email to recipient regarding subject. Keep the tone formal, informal, and ensure it includes key points. These are just a few examples of how prompt engineering can be used across industries. By mastering these techniques, you can leverage the power of ChatGPT to boost your productivity, enhance your creativity, and solve problems more effectively.